Hey guys, this is Nathan from Colton RV. I hope everyone out there is having a wonderful time and staying warm this winter. We're out here at the Hamburg Fairgrounds for the Western New York RV show, and we're going to look at some RVs today, specifically the Outback line, which is Keystone's luxury trailer with their finest finishings, tons of standard features that you're going to love. And behind me here we have a couples coach, which is perfect for just you and yours if you're going out on trips or if you're going the long haul and touring the country, or you're doing those national park runs that I know all of us would love to see. If we go this way over here, we do have a family RV, which is going to be a lot better for you and yours if you got the family going with you. So you see, we got nice solid steps, which come standard on almost all Outbacks. We have a nice, wonderful pass-through storage here, which is great. It makes it nice and easy to take everything with you. We got the magnetic latches, where I know you have tried to struggle with those clips before and they have broken, so those magnetic latches, perfect. It's also got an automatic stabilizer system, so this is going to level your camper out nice and easy. You're not going to have to do the cranks and spend all that time setting it up. Speaking of setting it up, we do have an automatic tongue jack there on the front as well. That's really going to make setting it up and off of your truck very easy. You see that nice big container has 230 propane tanks in it. That's going to give you so much time out on the road before you got to worry about filling it up. Also, on this particular RV, we have something extra special for you guys here. We do have some TV prep with the outdoor sound system and the awning to spend all this time outside, because I know that's why you went camping. You didn't want to spend all the time in the coach, but it's beautiful. We'll get there in a minute though. I do want to show you this wonderful outdoor kitchen though. You see we got a fridge here, which is great for pop for the children, maybe something else for the adults, but keeps the people from going inside and making your camper a mess, right? Now, there's also some outlets in there which are going to make you bringing extra accessories with you very easy to do. And then on top of that, there are these locking mechanisms which keep your outdoor stove from rattling against the door. You see there's plenty of space here for you to do some cooking, so you never have to go inside if you don't want to. All right. Now we're going to head inside to take a look at this wonderful RV and all the luxury features that are on the inside of it. All right, guys, so here we are in the back of an Outback 291UBH, the perfect family coach for you and yours to go camping in luxury. You see here we got two nice big bunks, which are nice and easy for you to fit one or two kids in at a time. What's something that you always need? A grab handle, because we know that we got the short children, we got to get them up there. There's tons of storage in this thing, which we'll show you throughout, but you see how deep those cabinets are, so you can take everything with you. Now, say you get a rainy day, what are you going to want to do? Maybe watch this big TV here. Look at how huge this thing is. It's very adjustable. It comes out, so you can watch it while you're cooking, watch it while you're eating, watch it while you're pretty much doing anything if you want to. Again, we got big additional storage here. This is going to be like where you keep the DVDs or the remotes, you know. You got to take that stuff with you too. Down here, we got additional storage because, like I said, there's storage everywhere in this thing, so you never have to leave anything behind that you don't want. Behind you are some Thomas Paine high-end furniture. Now, these actually recline out, so plenty of leg room. You see that there's cup holders there, so you can drink your beverages while you're watching some TV. There's also this nice spacious fridge. It's got a lock on it, so it doesn't open while you're driving down the road. But look at how much space is in that. You can take weeks worth of food in this thing. It's amazing. We also got a nice big freezer in here, because who doesn't want ice cream on a nice hot day, right? You can see that we have a nice microwave here, which gets you your popcorn for your movies that we talked about. And we have a pizza and cookie oven, but hey, who doesn't want some fresh baked cookies when it's a little bit cooler in the winter, right? And now we have additional storage under there, which does give you the ability to put your dish soaps and things like that away. Why wouldn't you want that? We have a nice drying rack here and a wonderful hose, so you can do all your dishes. Makes cleaning up so easy. You have this additional counter space here too, so this thing doesn't lack that at all. You can easily prep all of the food you want for any chef in your life. You have a dinette here, which is perfect for a family of 4. Very easily to sit them all, but this also does convert down to additional bedding. If you do have a friend sleep over, you know, you got the space now. Now we're going to travel back over here and look at this control panel. everything is pretty much right here. After you set up your outside features, you just put your slides out. It's so easy. You have nice coat racks here for when it's cold out, and you're gonna need one of those. You have tons and tons of storage under here. You have storage here, storage here, storage here, storage here, storage everywhere in this thing. Like I said, it's everywhere, everywhere. You notice the nice barn doors that limits the space. You don't have to worry about smashing into somebody with a door, right? Because this just closes, no problems. On our way into the bathroom here, and the first thing everyone notices, look at this medicine cabinet. It's got two sides. You could have his and hers, maybe the kids' deodorant. Who knows? You know what? You have had a daughter. You know how much product she needs to put in here. So glad we got all that space now. We have a wonderful sink and a toilet here. It's great. Additional storage. Did I mention storage? I think I mentioned storage. Look at this shower. This is something you'd have in your house, but it's in an RV, so you can shower in luxury, have it fall over you, make you feel really, really nice. Look at this nice spacious bed in here. You could easily fit a couple in here. Plenty comfortable. Additional storage for all your clothes. Look at how deep that thing is. You could stack clothes down the bottom, hang them up, whatever works for you. You also got overhead storage, so you never have to leave your favorite dress behind. Or, sir, your suit if that special event comes around. There's also a TV prep there for, when you and the loved one is sitting here, your significant other, watching TV late at night because you put the kids to bed at 8 o'clock, even though it's their vacation too. But you can see why this is such a luxury product, and I'm happy to show you this anytime you stop by our Hamburg show here. My name is Nate, and I hope you love the Outback as much as I do.